Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your PlayStation 5 to an Elgato HD60. First, it is essential to disable HDCP on your PlayStation 5 console. Go to Settings, then System, select HDMI, and turn off the Enable HDCP option. This allows your Elgato HD60 to receive the video signal without interruption, ensuring a smooth setup process for all your gaming captures. It is a very crucial initial step. Now, let us make the physical connections for your capture setup. Take one HDMI cable and plug it into the HDMI out port on your PlayStation 5, then connect the other end to the HDMI in port on your Elgato HD60. Next, connect a second HDMI cable from the Elgato HD60's HDMI out port to an available HDMI input on your television or monitor. Lastly, use the USB 3.0 cable to link your Elgato HD60 directly to your computer. With your cables connected, it is time to configure the software. Download and install the Elgato Game Capture HD application on your computer if you have not already. Once open, select the PlayStation 5 as your input device. You should now see your PlayStation 5 dashboard displayed within the Elgato software and hear any game audio. Confirm your video settings are at 1080 pixels and 60 frames per second for the best possible capture experience. Should you experience any issues, like a blank screen or no audio, begin by verifying all your cable connections are secure and correctly seated. Always confirm that HDCP is still disabled on your PlayStation 5 console, as it sometimes reactivates after updates. If problems persist, try using a different HDMI port on your television or computer monitor. Keeping your Elgato software and drivers updated is also a great practice for smooth, uninterrupted streaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.